Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by charging both the case and earbuds. This prevents interruption and firmware issues. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone, open the case, and watch the earbuds enter pairing mode. This is the immediate action that connects devices. Once paired, install the Sony Headphones Connect app so you can update firmware and set up adaptive sound. Make sure to accept permissions in the app. These let the earbuds measure ambient noise and tailor noise canceling to your environment. You must get a proper seal first. Try each eartip size and perform a 15 to 30 second fit check, because fit directly affects noise cancellation and bass. Once you have a seal, use the app to switch between adaptive noise canceling and ambient sound, adjusting intensity to match your surroundings. Then customize touch or button controls to manage playback, calls, and your voice assistant. This saves time and keeps you from fumbling with your phone while on the move. You end the routine by learning quick access shortcuts. Quick attention lets you hear announcements without removing earbuds, and a long press usually toggles ANC. Practice both. If the earbuds misbehave, place them in the case and hold the pairing or function button for 10 to 15 seconds to reset and clear the Bluetooth cache. Finally, clean the mesh and charging contacts gently and make sure firmware updates are applied. This resolves most audio or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.